Hey, welcome to Scooter's Garage. I'm Scott. Here is my Cub Cadet. It's a Series 2000. It's model number 2146, and the PTO belt went. And on top of the PTO belt going, it ripped some wires, and now I'm inspired to do a little maintenance on it. But this first video is going to be just the PTO belt, and we'll get into the other stuff. So thanks for joining, and we'll go through the PTO belt replacement process. Okay, so to start, you can see this is the pulley that the PTO goes on. It goes down through a second set of pulleys that shoot the belt backwards to the mower deck. So what I'm going to do, just because I got to do a whole bunch of stuff to this tractor, is I'm going to take the sides off and get a little better access to things. So let me take care of that first. All right, so we need to get these sides off. They're really simple. There's a little screw that has a little plastic knob on it there, and there's one kind of right behind here that you loosen up. I actually loosened it too much, and then it just pulls off. Take it out. It's that simple. So set that aside. I'm going to take this side off too. Okay, I'm not sure if this is the right thing to do or not, but I put my deck all the way down, and on this particular mower, to get some slack in the pulley, push this bar up, and it comes out, and that moves the pulley underneath forward. So for my particular mower, which again is the 2164, it's a 42-inch deck, I need this particular number, and you can see it fits Cub Cadet Series 2000 lawn tractors with 42-inch decks. But it does say with electric PTO 2004 and prior, and I think mine was actually made in 2000, so I don't know, hopefully it'll fit. Okay, the first bit of what we're going to do is try to squeeze this belt down and out underneath the in between the pulleys, and just sort of feed it down. And you want the V shape of the belt to sit in the pulley. So let's see here, we got this all sorts of twisted and complicated here. All right, almost have it. All right, so I got the belt over this initial pulley and then down through the two pulleys, but now I gotta pull it back and get it around the pulley on the mower deck. And again, do your best not to twist it, and just keep the V part going through the pulleys. Put this through, and now I have to get it around this pulley. So you see the pulley closer to us is part of the deck belt system. What I want to do is get to that one in the back. It's a two-tiered pulley, and we are going to put it on the top pulley system. So hopefully we'll be able to do that with ease. All right. Put that around so it just snapped in. And now we'll move this bar back, which makes it nice and tight. Okay, let's get the tractor started and then I'll pull the PTO belt and see if that kicks on. Hopefully it will.